Remy, and we are going to be doing what we do on rainy days. Thank you. So one thing we do on rainy days is braid diamonds, because as you can see, Remy's really messed up right now. It's like long in some places, so I'm going to braid it so that all goes on one side, and then I'll probably flip it down or do something with it like next week. There we go. Okay, so there here's my wonderful braiding skulls that aren't that wonderful. Note. So, I'm gonna groom him and pick his feet, brush out his tail. So, yeah. Whee! Okay, so since we can't ride, we're going to jump. It's sunny right now, but when I was doing the other half of the video, it was raining. So, hope you enjoyed. Comment, like it, whatever you want to. So, have a good day. Rainy day. Yes, that's not raining. It's really sunny. So that was my day. You can't really hear me because of the rain, so I'm kind of yelling. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next week. Thanks!